Welcome back to Cars Binge, where we break down the latest and boldest machines hitting the streets. Today, we're diving into an American legend reborn, the 2026 Dodge Charger. This isn't just a facelift, it's a complete reinvention. With a bolder stance, futuristic LED lighting, and sleek, aggressive bodywork, Dodge is taking muscle into the next era. For the first time, the Charger is available in both all-electric and hybrid powertrains, signaling a big shift away from its traditional V8 roots. Built on the new STLA large platform, it offers improved handling, better aerodynamics, and weight balance. The design still screams raw American power, but with a modern twist that sets it apart from anything Dodge has done before. Inside the 2026 Charger, Dodge has gone all in on premium and tech. You're greeted by high-quality materials like leather, suede, and optional carbon fiber accents, while ambient lighting sets a futuristic vibe. The driver gets a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a large 14.5-inch touchscreen that houses Dodge's updated Uconnect system. Performance pages are back and better than ever, letting you monitor power delivery, lap times, G-forces, and more. There's a sporty flat-bottom steering wheel, race-inspired paddle shifters, and bolstered seats that hug you through every turn. Add wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an optional Harman Kardon sound system, and this Charger proves it can flex both muscle and luxury. Underneath, the Charger has two identities, and both are thrilling. The top-of-the-line Banshee all-electric model pumps out over 660 horsepower with an all-wheel drive setup that rockets from 0 to 60 in under 3.3 seconds. And if you're worried about missing the sound of a roaring engine, Dodge introduces the Fretsonic chambered exhaust, which uses speaker tech to simulate the signature muscle car growl. For those who prefer gas-powered thrills, the hybrid variant is equipped with the Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six, delivering over 500 horsepower. Both powertrains come with customizable drive modes like track, drag, and auto, giving drivers full control of performance. Whether electric or gas, this Charger is all about speed, power, and attitude. On the road, the new Charger is a revelation. Thanks to its low center of gravity and refined chassis, handling feels tight and responsive, far more agile than its predecessors. Acceleration, especially in the electric Banshee model, is instant and relentless. The adaptive suspension strikes a great balance, soft enough for daily drives but firm enough to hold its line through corners. The steering is precise, with excellent feedback, and regenerative braking feels natural. Even in performance mode, the Charger remains composed and smooth. Whether you're tearing down a straight or carving up twisty roads, the 2026 Charger feels every bit like a modern muscle car, but now, with sports car refinement. So, what's our final verdict on the 2026 Dodge Charger? It's not just a successful update, it's a complete reinvention of what a muscle car can be. With aggressive looks, a high-tech interior, and a choice between hybrid and all-electric power, Dodge is proving that performance doesn't need to be stuck in the past. The Banshee's electric punch and the Hurricane-powered variant both deliver in their own right. This Charger feels like a bold step forward while still respecting the legacy it carries. Whether you're ready to go full electric or still crave that turbocharged roar, there's a Charger for you. Drop a comment below. Are you leaning toward the electric future or sticking to gas-powered thrills? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep it locked right here on Cars Binge, where horsepower meets the future.